Questions are an inherent part of human speech, conversation, and language in general. We ask questions to acquire knowledge, guide the conversation, or just to express interest in what others are saying. Generally speaking, you can ask questions in Haitian Creole just by changing the tone of your voice. For instance, ou comprendre? Ou comprendre? Ou parler en pile? Ou parler en pile? You can see that just by shifting the pitch and tone of my voice there, I'm able to ask my question. Another general way to ask a question in Haitian Creole is to use the word Eske from the French Eske. You can notice the similarity here. This is actually an example of Calque or loan translation, which is a word-for-word translation where you just adapt the word or the morpheme into the sound of another language. So Eske is used to ask yes or no questions. For instance, est-ce qu'on mange déjà? Est-ce qu'elle rive? Est-ce que ça bon? Est-ce qu'elle en forme? Est-ce qu'elle connaît? Let's say you want to ask which or what specific thing. The word you use is qui. Qui l'école? Qui pays? Qui rit? Qui mange? If you want to ask what in general, you use the word Kisa. Qui sa connaît? Qui sa vle? Qui sa besoin? Qui sa ap di la? Sometimes the word sa is used instead of Kisa. Sa connaît? Sa vle? Sa besoin? Sa ap di la? If you want to ask about a person or about people, you use kies or kimun. You may use these interchangeably. Qui est-ce qui là? Qui moun qui là? Qui est-ce qui a fait manger? Qui moun qui a fait manger? Sometimes we combine the words pour and qui est if you want to ask whom something is for. Pour qui est ça y? Pour qui est mont ça y? Pour qui est machine ça y? Pour qui est livre ça y? If you want to ask about time in general, you use qui l'est. Qui l'on pral l'école? L'autre mois. Qui l'on pral l'église? En janvier. Qui l'en après? Demain. Qui l'est lié? Toise. You use a qui l'est to ask about a specific time frame. À qui l'on pral l'école? À 11h. À qui l'on pral l'église? À midi. À qui l'on levé dans cabane? À 6h du matin. À qui l'on al dormi? À 9h du soir. If you want to ask about a place to figure out where you are, you may use the word côté. Côté nou yé la? Côté ou prale? Côté ou soti? Another thing that we do is combining qui with côté and say qui côté nou yé la? Qui côté ou soti? Qui côté ou prale? You could use the word kibo as well. Kibo nou yé la? Kibo soti? Kibo prale? The main word to use when asking why is the word pou kisa. Pou kisa ou tris kon sa? Pou kisa ou chwazi wout sa? In the same way, we use the interrogative phrase pou ki rezon. Pou ki rezon tris kon sa? Pou ki rezon chwazi wout sa? There are multiple words that we can use to ask about how something is or how something is done. The most popular word being comma. So we can say, comment ou ye? Comment yo di mo sa en Creole? Another variant of this word would be comment. Comment ou ye? Comment yo di mo sa en Creole? You may also use the word kijan. Kijan ou ye? Kijan yo di mo sa en Creole? If you want to ask about quantity, you use the word combien. Combien livre ou gagne? Combien jou ki rete? Combien moun ki la? If you want to ask about pricing, you use combien as well. Combien ça a coûté? You may also use the combination of a plus combien. A combien on bay ça? If you want to ask about levels of things, use the combination a plus qui. À qui niveau fièvre là est? À qui niveau de l'eau est? There are many concepts that require terms of levels, frequencies, or spectrums, so I'm just gonna leave you with some examples. A qui lè nou prale? A qui distance nou ye? A qui vitesse machine nan ap roule? A qui degré températi a ye? A qui pourcentage intérêt yo offri? A qui point nou rive nan projet a? A qui moment li pi bon pou nou visite? Make sure you subscribe to my Patreon to support the channel and get the transcripts of the videos and the lessons as well.